Are you ready to turn your passion for design or manufacturing into a powerful business? Meet the HF1212 5-axis CNC wood carving machine, your ultimate tool for high-precision carving, 3D foam modeling, and mold making. With a cutting-edge Taiwan SYNTEC 5-axis control system, this machine handles complex surfaces with ease. The 10 kW spindle, YASKAWA servo motors, and intelligent collision protection ensure smooth, fast, and reliable performance. From luxury furniture parts to automotive molds and advertising signage, this machine does it all. And here's the best part, workshops using this machine earn between $3,000 to $15,000 per month, offering carving services, mold creation, and custom 3D work. Backed by a 3-year warranty and global support, it's not just a machine, it's a business engine. Click the link below to get started today. Your next profitable venture begins here.